Good day, I am Letitia Humphreys in with your weather update for today, Monday 11th November 2024. We start off by taking a look at our satellite imagery, our infrared imagery, which tells of the temperatures of the clouds. Here we see a long cold front or a frontal boundary extending into the Eastern Caribbean. Here we are just here, the smaller islands, that island chain, and we have that front extending all the way into our area, giving us a bit of unsettled weather this morning. There's also a tropical wave that is across Hispaniola and is causing a lot of unsettled weather across Puerto Rico as well as the Virgin Islands. The British Virgin Islands was actually placed on a flood warning this morning as a result of receiving in excess of 3 inches of rainfall. A closer look shows our position of the center of the tropical wave, and you see those reds and the black colors indicating that there's some very thick clouds producing some thunderstorm and heavy rainfall activity. We're here across the island chain. The showers are dying down a bit, but they would have moved through very early this morning. On our radar again, it's showing us what transpired in terms of the rainfall. Very early this morning, the islands were covered, generally were covered with a lot of rainfall. And then behind we see the clearer skies coming in. So indicating that the rain has lessened, which you would see on the outside presently, that the rain has backed off, even though we still experience some cloudy skies at this time. Now, as a result of that frontal boundary, it is also sending some energy into our area in the form of swells. So a high surf advisory is expected to take place or to be in effect by tonight for the British Virgin Islands, for Anguilla as well as Barbuda, resulting from some northerly swells reaching up to 2.1 meters or 7 feet. But as we go further, a high surf warning will become necessary from around midnight, as these swells are expected to increase up to 2.7 meters or 9 feet. So high surf warning, therefore, the impacts would tell you that to expect some dangerous breaking waves or surfs. We're looking at some waves or the surfs breaking at the seashore at the coastlines in excess of 2.1 meters or 7 feet. Also, be on the lookout for some rip currents as well as sand erosion, mainly to the north, to the east and the western side of the island. And disruption also could affect these swells could also cause some disruption to the desalination plants. If you want to take a look, make sure you do it from a safe place. Also, we're asking you to be our extra pair of eyes if you see something fascinating out there. As we're having these surfs in the area in the next couple of hours, you can take a picture or video and send it to us at abmsiwatch@gmail.com, where your name will be mentioned as well as your video or your picture will be featured. Again, we continue to give you regular weather updates via our social media platforms, Facebook, YouTube, and X. Also, check us out on our website, antiguamet.com, or call our hotlines for regular updates as well, 463-4638. I am Letitia Humphreys. Have a great day.